This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. It's Friday, January 28th. Moderna has begun early-stage clinical trials of an HIV mRNA vaccine, the company announced this week. On Thursday, it administered the first doses of a shot it co-developed with the International AIDS Vaccine Initiative to volunteers at the George Washington University School of Medicine and Health Sciences. Like the company's COVID-19 vaccine, the new treatment uses messenger RNA to trick the human body into producing proteins that will trigger an immune response. Moderna hopes the shot will induce a specific class of white blood cells known as B cells, which can then turn into broadly neutralizing antibodies. Those proteins are widely considered to be the goal of HIV vaccination, and this is the first step in that process, according to the company. As part of the trial, Moderna plans to test both a primary vaccine and a booster shot. The Phase 1 trial will involve 56 healthy HIV-negative adult participants. The company will give 48 of those individuals the mRNA vaccine. 32 of that group will also receive the booster shot. To the final 8 involved in the first trial, the company will only administer the booster shot. Moderna says it will then monitor the entire group for 6 months to gauge the safety of the vaccine. It also plans to examine the immune response the vaccine triggers at the molecular level to determine if it's effective. Messenger RNA technology could lead to treatments for a host of deadly diseases, including malaria, but a breakthrough against HIV would be particularly noteworthy. According to statistics from the U.S. government, approximately 1.2 million Americans have the virus, which can lead to the deadly AIDS disease. While outcomes for HIV patients have improved significantly since the 90s, thanks to the development of new treatments and medication, no HIV vaccine has successfully passed early clinical trials. And a group of Democratic lawmakers led by Senator Elizabeth Warren of Massachusetts has asked 6 crypto mining companies, including Riot Blockchain, to answer questions about the impact of their operations on the environment and cost of electricity in the U.S. In separate letters to the chief executives of each firm, the group asks the companies to detail how much electricity they consume, their scaling plans, and any agreements they have in place with local utility companies. They have until February 10th to reply. Lawmakers say they're concerned about what a dramatic increase in domestic cryptocurrency mining has meant for the environment and consumers. Specifically, they cite a 2021 study from the University of California, Berkeley, that estimated crypto mining in upstate New York raised annual electricity bills by approximately $165 million for small businesses and $79 million for consumers, with little or no local economic benefit. They also point to the fact that energy consumption related to Bitcoin mining tripled between 2019 and 2021. The extraordinarily high energy usage and carbon emissions associated with Bitcoin mining could undermine our hard work to tackle the climate crisis, not to mention the harmful impacts crypto mining has on local environments and electricity prices, Senator Warren said. We need more information on the operations of these crypto mining companies to understand the full scope of the consequences for our environment and local communities. The group stopped short of suggesting regulatory action could be on the horizon for the industry, but clearly the effect of cryptocurrency on other parts of the economy is something lawmakers are thinking about. On January 20th, the House Energy and Commerce Committee held a hearing titled Cleaning Up Cryptocurrency: The Energy Impacts of Blockchains. What's more, U.S. lawmakers have taken a more broad interest in cryptocurrencies in recent months. That was on display in December when the Senate held a hearing on stablecoins. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.
Spoken Layer.